Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how we can remove all viruses in your computer using a very simple tool. This tool available in Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just search for run. Click this one. Okay. Write MRT. Okay. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Next. Here we have Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Here we have different options. Quick scan scans areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. Full scan, it scans your computer completely and customized scan. In addition to a quick scan, the tool will also scan the contents of a user specific folder. I selected quick scan. Next, please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to our effort and introduce you a very useful tool. No malicious software was detected. It means my PC is not at risk. That's all. Have a nice time.